Most content dies as a link, PDF, or slide deck. Trivana turns it into a hosted game people actually finish. Start with a topic, URL, transcript, or document. For this demo, we are turning a product launch into a fan challenge. Trivana handles the game structure, questions, pacing, host personality, scoring, and one shareable link. The same engine works across communities, teams, classrooms, onboarding, and events without rebuilding the format. Players join instantly. No account, no app install, no room code. They just open the link and play. Watch how one missed answer becomes feedback instead of a dead end.
Almost. The answer is Friends, the show that taught us about coffee and camaraderie.
The scorecard is the growth loop. Players challenge the next person to beat their score. Try a live game at Trivana.ai. If you have content, Trivana can turn it into a show.